Good morning, student. In the previous session, we have taken the last week 2.2 question number 12 up to 12 we have finished. Question number 13 we will continue. What is given there in the 13th question? A rational number is there that is multiplied by 5 upon 2 and 2 upon 3 is added with the result. Then you will get the answer of minus 7 upon 12. What is the rational number? So let the rational number be x. Multiply by 5 upon 2, it will become 5x upon 2. Then add 2 upon 3 for the result. Then I am adding 5 upon 2 plus of 2 upon 3 added. This answer will be given you. We will get 5 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3. We will get minus 7 upon 12. What is this x you have to find? So answer is what? I am shifting this number down to right hand side. It will become minus 2 upon 3. Taking LCM. 12 is the LCM. Here 7 will come. This side minus 8 will come. So if you simplify, minus 15 upon 12. So 5x upon 2 equal to minus 15 upon 12. Then we need the x around. So I am cross multiplying. Minus 15 into 2. Taking here 5 will come to the denominator. 5 into 12. Simplify, you will get minus 1 upon 2. What is our rational number? The rational number is minus 1 upon 2. Understood? That is 13th question. And 14th question, interesting problem. There are currency notes. 100 rupee note, 50 rupees note, 10 rupees note. And the notes are in ratio 2:2, 3:5. And total cash, this amount, these notes are together, we are getting 4 lakh rupees we are having. They are asking how many number of notes in 100 rupees, in 50 rupees, in 10 rupees they are asking. So what I have assumed? Let x be the total part of the currency note. Total number of notes is x. So 2 part is 100, 3 part is 50, 5 part is 10 rupees. So I am counting notes. 100 rupees note 2 into x, 50 rupees note 3 into x, 10 rupees note 5 into x. These are number of notes. How many 100 amount will be there? I have to multiply this 100 into 2x. So total amount will be 200x. 50 rupees amount, 50 into 3x, 150x. Then 10 into amount, 10 into 5x, so 50x. Total amount in terms of x is 400x. This amount you have to equate for 4 lakh rupees because amount is given. We should not equate the notes. We have to equate the amount. So 400x equal to 4 lakh. Then I am cancelling 2 cross multiplying. X equal to 1000 I am getting. That means x is what? That notes x we have x total part of the note we have taken. X we have got. Then how many 100 rupees note? 2 into x. 2 into 1000. 200. 2000 notes are there in 100. Then 3 into x for 50 rupees. 3 into 1000. 3000 notes are there in 50 rupees. Then 10 into 10 rupees note. 5 into x. 5 into 1000. 5000 rupees. 10 rupees notes are there. Okay. So that is the answer for which question? Question number 14. Similarly, you take that question number 15 as a homework. I will do question number 16. In homework, you are feeling difficulty with over phone, you can call me. Okay. Then question number 16. In a competition, those who are winning, each person getting 100 rupees. Those who are losing, they are getting 25 rupees. Total prize amount they are having 3000 rupees. Total participant 63. What is your question is how many number of winners are there? Okay. So what I am immediately question they are asking winner. So I am assuming x be the number of winner. Okay. The loser will be what? Total we know. X is the winner. So 63 total minus of x will get the loser, no? So x is the winner. Loser is 63 minus of x. One part is over. The amount of the winner, who is getting winner is getting 100 rupees. So x is our winner, number of winner. X into 100, you will get that amount, 100x amount. The amount of loser, 63 minus of x into 25 rupees they are given. So into 25, this will become amount. This total amount, x 100x, 63 minus of x into 25. These two you add. That much of amount is equal to 3000. Understood? See, total is this much. X I am having winner. So 63 minus of x, loser. So amount how we will calculate? Number of person into rupees. So x into 100 rupees. 63 minus x into 25 rupees. This total rupees coming to 3000. So I am adding 100x plus of 63 minus of x into 25 equal to 3000. Then I am converting the equation, removing this bracket. 100 minus 25 plus 1575 equal to 3000. Then number I am taking this side. Now number I am taking this side. 1575 taking other side. 3000 minus of 1575. Here now 100 is there. Here minus 25 is there. So I am simplifying 75x. Okay, 75x equal to 3000 minus 1575. Then what is the next equation? 75x equal to 1425. Then come to the top here. Therefore x equal to 1425 upon 75. Therefore x equal to 19. That is 19. What we are assuming for x? Let x be the winner participant. So x is 19. Participants are winner. Okay, up to this exercise, up to this we are completing 2.2 exercise. Then another step is there in 2.3 based on the division of the ratios to find the solve the x value. That we will take it to the next class. Thank you.